Namaste everyone. Our today focus will be Surya Namaskar sequence. I will be teaching you Hatha Yoga Surya Namaskar, and for physical body, very important before you start your yoga asana sequences because they warm up the body, improve the circulation, open up the joints and make you strong with energy level. So Hatha Yoga Sun Salutation, we begin with front of the mat, legs are together, standing straight. Now, the first posture you will do is with link of inhalation, exhalation. Everyone, let's take a deep inhale. And as you exhale, palms together front of the chest. Let's do with me first round step by step, and then next round I will be giving you the detailed explanation of Surya Namaskar so that you will understand the mistakes if you were doing, you will be correcting these mistakes. Okay, let's begin with me. Together legs, once again Tadasana. Now, inhale deeper. And as you exhale, let's bring the palms together front of the chest. Head down. This is our first pose, Pranayama. Take from here, inhale, raise the hands. Arch the back. See how I'm doing backward bending. Don't bring your head back. Just looking forward, legs are straight. Exhale, straight arm. See, straight arm bending forward. All the way. Press the palm. If you can, head down. Inhale, look up, use the fingertips. Step right leg back. That is with exhalation. Drop the knee, toe back, bringing the hands close to the heels and then chest up. Look up. That is Ashwasanchalan. Exhale, bringing the hands forward, pressing the palm one by one, step the left leg back. Santolanasana, legs separate, hips distance. Look between the palm. And start pressing the palm against the ground so that you can balance in plank pose. Take one deep inhale here. While you exhale, drop the knee, arch the back. See here what I'm doing here. I'm arching my back and then I'm bringing my chest down. That is our next pose, Ashtanga Namaskar. Chin down. Buttocks are elevated. Inhale, bend the knee, straight the leg and stretch the leg. See what I'm doing? Stretching the leg. Because the skin sometimes can be stuck. So stretch nicely from the root. Then roll the shoulders back inside. Then chest up. Just till the navel. Not more than that. Elbows are not wider because definitely if you are a new, you will feel that the elbow want to go out or shoulders want to go like that. See here. To the ear. I want you to roll the shoulders back. Elbows are inward. Pressing the center of the palm. Chest is lifted. Exhale, lower the head, push your palm against the ground. First you go for child pose, legs are together, and then with inhalation you are lifting the buttocks up and Parvatasana. Here, inhale, right leg forward in between the palm, the same leg which you took before. Left leg will fully stretch, use the fingertips, look up, Ashwasanchalan. Exhale, together legs, see, step forward, legs straight, hands down, head down, Padhasta. Inhale, straight arms over the head, all the way, arch the back. And with exhalation, palms together. Inhale, hands down, head down. That was one side. Let's try other side, same left side, okay? Let's try one more time. Then we'll learn one by one each pose, detail, and then again we'll do the sequence. Now, Tadasana, inhale deeper. Exhale, palms together. Inhale, up. Raise the hands, palm facing front. Arch the back. Exhale, straight arms bend forward. Inhale, left leg back. Exhale, plank pose. Right leg back also. Look between the palm. Inhale here. Exhale, drop the knee, arch the back and chest down, chin down. Inhale, straight legs. Roll the shoulders back and chest lifted. Exhale, push the palm. Mountain pose, Parvatasana. Legs are together here. Which leg you took now? Left one, right? Now left leg forward, inhale. Now stretch the right leg and look up. Exhale, right leg forward, head down. Inhale all the way, come up. Arch the back, open chest, and exhale, palms together. Inhale, hands down. That was a Surya Namaskar. Let me bring the mat back and I will show you that how to go deeper in each pose. So, what we did is, first pose was Pranam Mudra. Now, let's go with correction. In Pranam Mudra, you're bringing the weight more on the heels. You're not standing on the toes, you're standing on the heel. That's the primary adjustment. Palms will be front of the chest, heart centered, not front of the face. Second adjustment. Head will be lower, not forward. Third adjustment. It's a devotional practice. It's a starting asana. It has to start with devotion, surrender quality. Okay? So now, let's do with me. Hands down, Tadasana. Now, take inhale. With the exhale, palms together, front of the chest. Head is lower. You are standing on the heel. Toes are relaxed. That's first. The second pose, Urdhva Hastasana. Watch me first and then we'll do with me. Now see. From here, inhale, Urdhva Hastasana first to raise the hands like this, palm facing front. And then you stretch up. Here, it's like you're becoming taller. That's here. And now, then you shift the weight from heel, which was on the heel. The previous pose, weight was on the heel. Now, toes. And then arch. See? This time, weight is on the toe. And that posture, the movement is inhalation. You understand? Let's try with me. Come on the heel. When you are palms together, now from here. Inhale, raise the hands. First, you stretch your arms upward. And then lean forward to the toes, arch the back. Not too much. Head is not hanging backward. Head is center. Arms are going back. Now, exhale from here. The next pose is Pada Hasta. Now see, weight on the heel. See what I'm doing here? I'm moving the weight on the heel. Let me show you from the back. I'm moving the weight on my heel and at the same time I'm pulling my hips back so that my arms and spine goes together. Like that. And then when I touch my palm on the ground, then I lean forward. Watch me. Lean forward to the toes and then head down. This is a movement. You got it? Let's try together with me. Okay. Come to the previous pose. Arms up, arch back. Everyone, take inhale. Exhale. Pull the hips back. Weight on the heel now. Straight arms and straight back. Slowly go down. Touch the palms wherever you can reach. You can even bend the knee in the beginning. If you are a very beginner, can't reach there. Now lean forward to the toes. Head down. Pada Hastasana. Next pose is Ashwa Sanchalan. Let's try with me. Inhale. Press the fingertips. Chest up. Legs straight. Lengthen your spine. And now step your right leg back. See. Two adjustments here. One is you can do also this. Knees are over the toe. So the right leg and left leg both stretch. Right hip and left hip stretch together. This is the movement. This is the first thing. See. Also, if you want individually, one by one to stretch the leg, then you keep your front knee 90 degree. See. So see what is your goal. If you want to stretch both legs at the same time, then you will go with knee forward. This way. If you want one by one deeper work, then knee 90 degree. This way. Fingers closer to the heel and now chest up. The back leg will be completely straight and rotation of the leg internal. See here. See the movement of my hands inside. Like that. This movement. Chest up. Ashwa Sanchalan with inhalation. Next pose, plank pose. Exhale. So tuck your toe. Press the palm. Lean right side. You get access. You can even bring the hands front like that. Step back. And then press the palm shoulder level. Legs are separate. You are not rolling the buttocks down. You are not lifting the shoulders up. You are pushing the shoulder blades away from each other. Using the core, looking down. Weight on the big toe. Exhale. Drop the knee. See. Ashtanga Namaskar. 8 limbs salutation. Ashtanga Namaskar is a name. 8 limbs. Ashta means 8. Anga means limbs. Salutation. Namaskar. See here. Drop the knee from plank pose. Exhale. Now arch the back. See what I'm doing. Arch. Now take your body forward to the hands. Drop the chest, not the navel. And then at the end, chin. If you have a neck issue, cervical pain, forehead down. So the back neck is fully relaxed. Elbows are not wider, elbows are in. See here. This is a position. You are arching the back. Ashtanga Namaskar. Now from here, inhale, bend the knee, stretch the leg. Legs are separate, stretch nicely. You are not bringing the shoulder to the ear. You are moving the shoulder away from your ear, elongation of the neck. Elbows are locked to the body. Then push the palm, first head up, then push the palm, then chest up. Look up. Bhujangasana. Now exhale, you push the hands. First you stretch the body like that. So the spine can become longer because the previous pose was backward bending, Bhujangasana. This pose is forward bending, stretching pose. So spread the fingers, stretch the spine, then slowly knees together, legs together, and heels down, head down. This is the pose. You don't need to push yourself backward. This is a mountain pose which can be round back. See my back. It's a round and relaxing back. It's a equal weight shifting on both arms and legs. Now inhale. Let's do left leg forward this time. Left leg front. Here, what we were doing previously, we stretch the leg, front knee 90 degree, chest up. Rotation of the leg where? Inside. Looking up. Exhale. What you are doing? You are keeping the weight first on the heel. Then when the palms are down, you are bringing the weight on the toe and then head down. Inhale, straight arm. See here. Straight arm. Weight on the heel. Come up. You go stretching upward. Upward. Then weight on the toes. Arch. And then weight on the heel. Palms together. Head down. Then inhale. Hands Tadasana. Look center. And eyes closed. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. That was Hatha Yoga, Surya Namaskar.